guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a pack with me. We're gonna see if we could fit again, I'm doing a challenge where we're going away to North Carolina to the Smoky Mountains. My parents live there. They've lived there now since pretty much around COVID time they moved in. So my husband is traveling in El Salvador himself right now, so I'm on my own. Again, I've got an Uber picking us up later. So yeah, come along with me. Let's see if we could pack. We're flying Spirit on the way down, so I only have a personal item for each of us, so I've got to squeeze all this in. So let's see if I can do it. If we're not already friends, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share a lot of Disney content on my channel. I'm a full-time working mom. Me and my daughter, we live in New Jersey. I have a husband named Jose. He's sometime on the channel, sometimes not. So yeah, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. Now let's get going. Alright, so let me show you what I've gotten accomplished here so far. So what we're bringing for Lucia. I'm going to put these in packing cubes. So we are leaving. Today is Friday. We're coming back Monday, Labor Day. So I have a pair, again, I know I haven't washed these. I'm terrible. The packing cubes are your best friend. I find that, you know, it's easy to like stuff everything in there and then keep everything compact. So I'm going to bring one pair of pants just in case it gets cold like at night. I have a tank top and shorts. I've got this little skirt that I picked up at Target with like a basic white tank. I have an Ariel t-shirt that I'll pair with this little skirt. I got all these on clearance, by the way. Actually, this doesn't show it. I wonder if I paid. There were other ones on clearance, so I don't know. Hopefully I didn't pay full price for that. This I just got today at Walmart on clearance for $9, which to me it seems like that's still a little bit, still kind of expensive for Walmart. But it's just like this cute little green romper. And of course I have to bring her swimsuit just in case. I don't know if we'll have time to go swimming, but just in case. And then I have another pink romper. And then I'm just going to bring one thicker hoodie to wear for at night or on the plane, like if she gets cold. This one I picked up, I think, at Costco, like last winter. Alright, then we have her socks. I have diapers and I have diapers and wipes. She is potty trained, but she's still not fully there yet, so we're just going to bring the pull-ups just in case. Diapers for at nighttime when she's sleeping. My friend, it's Priscilla Marie on YouTube and Instagram. You can check her out. She gave this great packing tip to use from Dollar Store. She picks up a pack of these shower caps to put shoes in because I'm also like a germaphobe. So I think that was a great idea, and they come in like a 6 or 8 pack or something. So I picked up a bunch, and even my husband's in El Salvador right now, so I sent him with a bunch to put his shoes in. So great deal, very economical, not too expensive. I still have to brush my teeth before we go, but then I'll put my toothbrush in here. I'll just use my parents' toothpaste, so that's going to be great. I have our snacks here that I gotta I'll talk about that in a second. Then I'm bringing a swimsuit just in case I have to go in the water, because I think my parents were saying we were maybe going to go to the lake. So if she's going in the water, obviously I have to. I'm bringing just like a pair of basic bike shorts and 2 pairs of jean shorts. I have a t-shirt. I did bring a dress just in case, because I know my parents do want to go to church on Sunday, so I had to bring something that was a little bit nicer to wear. So bringing this, and then just like a little blouse, which is a little bit more dressier. 2 pairs of tank tops, because it is supposed to be like high 80s while we're there. In here, I'm not going to show you, but it's socks and underwear. Again, with the shower cap, my extra pair of shoes, which are the reef sandals that I brought on my last Disney trip. And I am bringing a water bottle. I'm going to bring one for Lucia too. She has like the nicer one at school right now, so I'm going to just use that when I pick her up in a second. Okay, and then I have my curling iron. And in here, if you watched my pack with me for Disney on our last trip, this is where basically I have like a little treasure chest of things I will keep in my bag to pull out if, you know, nothing's working and she's exhausted all of her activities, which I can get to in a sec. Let me explain that now. All right, let me talk a little bit more about my daughter's stuff. So I have, this is her little Ariel pouch where I have her little hair ties and bows and whatnot I could put in her hair. So that is coming. It's pretty nice, compact. This was a little pouch from Stony Clover Lane that I got on at their sample sale. Oh, I do have some small Play-Doh that there we go, some small Play-Doh that I'm going to bring on the plane as well. I picked her up these little sunglasses from Walmart. So cute. And then I have this little first aid kit with Band-Aids and Neosporin, boogie wipes and whatnot. So I will keep that in her little carry-on. And then here's what I picked up today at Walmart. Well, this actually I picked up at Target the other day. You know, I have them, if you watch any of my other packing vlogs, I have these like literally for every trip. So I only bought one. I don't know if she's getting bored of this. So I just bought one. I brought this Peppa's Giant Pumpkin. It was from Walmart, $6.38. They had another Peppa book, and it was more expensive. So I'm like, oh, this is actually cuter, and it's a little bit thinner, which will be nice to fit in her bag. So I think she'll be really excited about that because she hasn't seen it yet. Then in Walmart, they have all their Halloween stuff. I was having trouble finding coloring books, and then I happened to find this with all of their Halloween stuff. I'm like, oh, this is perfect. So I actually bought one. There's one other one that has Goofy on it. I'm going to try to hide that from her and save it for our Disney trip coming up in September. So you're going to probably see that in that packing vlog for Disney. But yeah, I think they'll be super excited. And it comes with the crayons. These come with crayons, so I'm not going to bother bringing more crayons. She's just going to lose them on the plane. Then I found this super silly stickers, puppies and kittens. So this is kind of like, if you watch my other packing vlogs, I do like a lot of these stickers. Usually I buy this sheet separate and then you have to put them on a notebook. But I thought this was interesting. It was like cute because it comes in like this thin book and it's got the little animals, and then you can make, I guess, them with the funny faces. So with the stickers, yeah, see they have like princess and all that. So I think this will be really convenient. So I'm gonna put that in our bag. This, again, it's Priscilla Marie, my friend on YouTube. She recommended this Where's Bluey. My daughter's not a crazy Bluey fan. She's not really into it yet. I'm trying to push it on her because I prefer that more than Peppa. But this is like the I Spy thing. So basically you could say, where's Chloe? And then you got to find her on the thing. So I thought that'd be fun. Me and her can do on the plane together. And then I saw this also at Walmart. I think this was $13. I haven't even opened it yet. It's kind of heavy actually, so that it's fine because it's just going in our carry-on. But yeah, it's got 6 placings and some magnets. So I'm hoping it's compact enough that I can just do this on the plane with her with the little magnets. So we'll see. Worst case, I don't know, I'll just like leave it with my parents if I find this like to be really annoying, because my youngest niece is super into Bluey. So yeah, so that's that. So let me start packing all this up.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never
Alright, I'm all packed up, kind of. I think I'm going to have to cheat a little bit and put some of, sorry, shaky camera footage here. I'm going to have to cheat a little bit and put some of, I think I'm going to put my packing cube in the stroller bag at the airport, just to make life easier because the diapers are just becoming a little bit too much. My other thought is that I could possibly have my parents just stop at Walmart and go pick some up. So that's another possibility, but I think I'm just gonna try to get away with it. So I have her bag, my bag. I forgot to talk about my bag. It's from Bag Smart on Amazon. I'll link it below. Hers is the Petunia Pickle Bottom bag. The reason why I opted for this bag instead of the one that I used when I went to Disney last is because this comes with like a storage underneath, so I actually have our pajamas under there. This one, again, the reason why I like it is because of the storage issue. So I put, I think, our toiletries under here with my curling iron, and then I have everything else packed up. So it's a pretty good size bag. I'm going to put my laptop in there, and then this is another personal bag which I'll just kind of get away with. I'll keep my camera and my phone in there and hope for the best. So that being said, let me hit the road, and and then I'm gonna take one of our stroller hooks, I think, and then attach my water bottle here so that way I can bring it through. I have a little bit of a cold I'm working through if you haven't noticed already. So yeah, well, let me get going. I gotta go get my daughter. Alright, so that's gonna about do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this crazy packing, not Disney related video. If we're not already friends, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, give this video a like. It really does help to support the channel. I do a lot of Disney content on my channel, but hopefully I can do some other things like this. And if you find it interesting, yeah, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. That being said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.